What is the similarity between milk tea, face masks, gloves, and hand sanitizer? Well, the similarity is they are all a trend. Early last year, all these items were in super high demand due to this illness. Many people actually bought them at a lower price to stock up so that they can sell back to others at a higher price. Everybody's been rushing in. Initially, some of them could make good profit, like insane profit. But after a while, many of them actually got stuck with the stock at a very high price because eventually the supply is more than the demand and the price normalized. So what's the lesson that we can learn from here? Well, you need to remember, we live in a capitalist society. Whenever something everybody thinks it's profitable, everybody will rush in. And if there's no high barrier of entry, it's very difficult for you to get a competitive advantage. Even if it's good in the beginning, everything will be spoiled. Don't you agree? When everybody is rushing in to buy like glove stocks or medical mask making stocks and all this, and you're rushing in as well, you need to be extra careful because you know it's a short-term trend. That's why you need to have a very good exit strategy. So what can you do instead in business as well as in investment? Well, what you can do instead is anticipate the trend. Maybe in terms of rushing in with everybody else, you may not be faster than everybody else, you may not be smarter because that's super tough. But you have one advantage. If you are patient enough, you can anticipate the trend. Like everybody knows the illness will be over eventually. These people would have bought the bank stocks, the entertainment stocks, and the tourism stocks, and they have already paid off very well now. And this trend tends to last because it's the normal, right? And you're buying them when they are undervalued and now they are back, gradually getting back their value. Everybody want a quick return, get rich quick. But if you can have a mentality of, I'm willing to get rich slower but steadily and way lower risk and much higher certainty, then you have an advantage in the market. In fact, I myself made several 5 figures in bank stocks and even property stocks as well, anticipating the trend. In short, just follow what Warren Buffett taught us. Be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. Doing business and investing by chasing trend is very tiring. Sometimes you make very good income and often after a while it drops and you need to find the next trend and the next trend and the next trend. Aren't you very tired doing that? The key is to have a systematic approach whereby whatever the market is, up market, down market, you know because you have a system to identify these trends and know what is the next sector to go to and what strategy to apply there so you never be caught at the top and you'll be able to get consistent income from investing in good companies. If you agree with my sharing and you thought to yourself,
yeah man, I'm sick and tired of always chasing trend, whether it's in my business or in investing,
go hit the link above or button below, register for my upcoming webinar whereby I'll share with you my checklist criteria, how I filter stocks and anticipate the next trend. I'll also share with you how I get started with zero capital, how I roll it to more than $1 million now, and how I use this checklist to make 20 to 30,000 ringgit a month consistent income. Once again, my name is Meng Teck. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it for you. Bye!